What's going on? Got an install video for you guys today. Just this little fitting right here, or I'll get to that in a second. 106 degrees right now, and it's supposed to hit 108 here in the next hour, so it's gonna be a good time. So the fitting that I'm doing right now fits on the 240. It's on the high pressure line on the power steering, and it's the side that connects to the rack, and I'll show you that here real quick. So the car just dumps fluid right now. I have one of these fittings in there, but it looks like this side on both sides. I just pulled the car in like 2 seconds ago. You can already see on the floor I'm already dumping fluid, and it's been just a couple minutes. Cap off, pop this little filter thing out, and then get all the fluid out of there first. So we got most fluid out. Now I just need to jack up the car, get under it, and then undo the lines that go to the rack. All right, welcome back. So that green line, I think it's a return line, and I gotta get that out so I can get to the silver and black line. That's the aftermarket braided line I installed. So get this out of the way, get this out. This is the old fitting that I use. You can see it's leaking right there. So swap this out and then put it back in, and it should be good. Top line out, but it's kind of just dumping fluid everywhere, so I need a napkin. Not a napkin, a towel. Hold on. I was here. Oh yeah. There we go. So yeah, there she is. So yeah, that's it. Just that. So obviously that's not gonna work. Oh, I dropped it. And I was just trying to figure out why it was leaking, and I was like, oh, it's definitely the gasket, you know? And then I took a look at the old line, and there it is. It's way longer and has the O-ring at the end, and this one does not look like that, so. All right, so I got that stupid ass line in here. And hopefully it doesn't leak, or else I'm just gonna off myself. All right, so we're just gonna refill it with some ATF, and that's it. Drink up, bitch. Oh my God. God damn it. There we go. Thank God that's over with. I'm glad I don't have to do that anymore. Well, that's all I'm doing for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, then subscribe, comment, do whatever the hell you want to do. Peace. Y'all probably can't see, but it's raining. It's raining at like 100 degrees.